Racing, our final DTM GT3 race league at Hockenheim, coming up next. Hello once again, slot car race fans. Welcome to our final race in our DTM GT3 series. This is our Halloween race. Actually, not really, but I'm going to try to upload this on Halloween. Anyway, tonight we are racing at the world famous Hockenheim Speedway, and if you want to build this amazing track, come on over and check it out on our Patreon account, where I show you how to build the whole thing. And your Patreon subscription helps us to grow as a channel and makes it so that I can continually make these great videos for everyone to see and enjoy. And don't forget to stay tuned to the end of our video, where I'll be showing you guys how to enter into this great Carrera tow truck giveaway, which we will be giving to somebody at random after the Monster Hobbies Madcap Romanian channel hits 5,000 subscribers, and we're already at 4,250, so we only have 750 more people to go before I give away this amazing tow truck. And now, without further ado, let's go down to our last race in our GT3 series. Put the camera right in the right spot. Everybody dying on the first lap.
We're all trying to get in position. Yeah, that's a good place to stay away from us.
Go to the edge there. Positions, people. X's on the floors.
And I'm trying to get it right. I just don't want to get stung. That hurts. There you go, bro. That hurts. Slip in there.
Yeah, it snowed in that room. It snowed in Monster Hobbies.
Go back around the corner.
Okay, so we got Glenn, Mark, Rosie, and me. Much hard to read forgetting in this case.
Trying to grab the. Oh, there we go.
34 seconds. 44 more seconds of Nathan.
25 seconds.
I'm glad you guys were fresh right into the lens of the mini cam.
Yeah.
Alright. Hey everybody, this is Trevor Selescu, owner of Monster Hobbies, and I wish to thank all of our patrons out there for your great support in keeping this channel alive. Without your contribution, we would not be around, so thank you again very much. And if you would like to become one of our patrons, please check it out at www.patreon.com/monster_hobbies. Anyway, let's continue on with our great video. And here we are at the end of our race night. We only did 6 races, and I got 23 points. Rosie got 19. Howard and Kevin couldn't make it. Mark came in second in all the races for the night with 36 points, and Glenn came in first for all the races with 54 points. And now let's go see how that affects our standings in the last race of our league. And here we are at the end of the night, at the end of our league. And Eric is in 7th place with 15 points. Rosie is in 6th with 185. Howard is in 5th with 234. I'm in 4th with 256. Kevin is in 3rd with 280. Mark got up to 2nd place, getting knocked down from last week, with 317 points. And Glenn is in 1st with 334. So congratulations to Glenn. He will be getting the prize car at the end of this league. And I hope you enjoyed that amazing race and had a lot of fun. And now that Glenn is our winner, we will proceed to our next race series, which should be 1976 IMSA, and there'll be some really cool tracks coming up. And now don't forget to check out our great contest here for our Carrera tow truck giveaway. It has a horn, a dropping tailgate, which you can hook up to any Carrera car, and some flashing lights. Really cool thing. You will want to be in this contest. All you gotta do is check it out up here. And if you want to build this amazing track, check it out on our Patreon right down here. And until next time, everybody, we'll see you back in 1976.